Kashmiri separatist leader Yasin Malik was convicted by a Delhi court in a terror funding case today. This comes after Yasin Malik last Tuesday pleaded guilty to all charges, including those under the Stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act or UAPA. The court also sought an affidavit from Yasin Malik regarding his financial assessment and asked the National Investigative Agency or NIA to assess the separatist leader's financial situation to determine the amount of fine to be imposed. The quantum of sentence will be announced in the next hearing on 25th May. The Supreme Court will hear the Gyanvapi Mosque case tomorrow at 3 p.m. The court has also stayed hearing in Varanasi court. The move by the top court came amid fears of the Muslim side of the Wazukhana or ablution area, where a shivling was said to be found, could be raised following the order by the Varanasi court to seal the area. The court said, and I quote, "We direct the trial court to strictly act in terms of the arrangement and to desist from taking further action in the suit. The matter will be heard tomorrow by 3-judge bench." Today, the price of LPG cylinders were hiked for the second time this month. The price of a domestic LPG cylinder has been raised by 3.50 rupees, while the price of a commercial cylinder has been hiked by rupees 8. After this increase, the domestic cylinder now costs 1,000 rupees in almost all the cities throughout the country. With the hike, the price of a domestic LPG cylinder in Delhi and Mumbai is 1,003 rupees. In Kolkata, the domestic LPG cylinder will cost 1,029 rupees, and in Chennai, it will cost 1,018.50 rupees from today. The United States Massachusetts reported a confirmed rare case of monkeypox, the first case reported in the country this year. The man infected with the monkeypox had recently traveled to Canada. The US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is preparing for the possibility of more monkeypox cases. Official and healthcare providers are tracking people who may have been in contact with the patient. Officials believe the case does not currently pose a risk to the public.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.